Hey guys, how you doing? Here we are at Pebble Creek Country Club at number 7. Great little hole, straightaway par 4, about 411 yards. If I was your caddy, I'd say hit drive leave you in there around a 9 or an 8 iron in. Now, enough people, fortunately, do choose to go about 75 yards offline and hit 100 yards, and that sticks your golf ball right in the backyard of Forde Creekside Way. Nice little condo we're selling right on the golf course. Enough people make that option that we are advertising this one as coming with a free supply of golf balls. Plenty of them coming your way, and you can walk down to the course. Talk to you soon, guys. Take a look at the video and come and take a look at this great listing.